Hey guys, Kaipettifer here, and welcome back. I'm making videos again. The reason for my 4-month-ish departure from YouTube was essentially because my Olympus camera, my old one, broke during the summer, which sucks. But now, finally, I have a new one. For all those curious, it is the Lumix G85. Actually, there's probably... I'll show here. Can you see it? Right. This isn't great. I have it. It works, okay? So now that I have this new camera, of course, I have to go and make some videos because, well, quite frankly, it's long overdue. And luckily for me, right now, I'm in Canmore. Alright, so we're here at Harvest for breakfast. I didn't actually mention that we're going here. I need to get back into this whole vlogging thing. I'm not used to it. We're here for breakfast. We've just finished breakfast. Those wraps were as good as the community has made knowledgeable. Now we're going to switching gear. It's over here, actually. I forgot to mention, the reason we're getting ski poles is for our upcoming adventure tomorrow. So stay tuned. Come to think of it, I might put it in the same video. I have no idea yet. Guys, we just got the poles from switching gear. Now we're going to go explore Main Street. So that has been Main Street. Also, the camera's gonna die pretty soon, so I'm gonna have to walk home and charge the battery and all that stuff. Which sucks, but this was fun. Also, I recorded all the footage in 4K, even though, I'm sorry, this video is only 1080. It's been a long day. It's currently about, what is it, 7:40-ish? 7:40 at night, which now means that it's time for dinner.